pamamagitan ng pagdodrawing sa kanila base sa script. At pagkatapos namin gawin ito, ay pinapasa namin siya sa cleanup department.
Hi, ako nga pala si Cesar Salamanca, isa sa mga supervisor sa cleanup department. Ang cleanup ay ang proseso kung saan nililinis namin ang mga linya na gawa ng mga animators. Sinisiguro rin namin sa aming department na bawat characters na aming drawing ay magmumukhang isa na parang gawa ng iisang tao lang. Bago namin iba to sa susunod na department, ang in-between.
Ako nga pala si Glenn ng in-between department. Dito sa department namin, mas pinapalambot namin ang bawat galaw ng mga eksena upang mas maganda nyo itong mapanood. Pagkatapos nito, pinapasa namin ito sa digital ink and paint.
Hello, I'm Sugar Milian de la Cruz. I'm the digital department head. What we're doing here is, right now, we're doing the digital ink and paint. Kung makikita nyo, ang ginagawa dito, after magawa ng animators lahat ng drawings, dito nila pinipintahan, like parang coloring books, na may designated na colors para sa mga characters o kaya sa mga ibang drawings.
Hi, my name is Ed. This is the final stage of animation. Dito namin ginagawa yung compositing wherein inimerin namin yung backgrounds with the characters. Sa stage 2 to, dito kami nagko-color correct. Minamatch namin yung characters with the background. Lalagyan ng special effects, ng konting movement ng camera kung kailangan. Dito na rin ginagawa yung final edit.
Dito naman natin makikita kung paano nagre-record ng natural sounds ang ating creative team. Naglakbay kami para hanapin iba't ibang tunog mula sa lagaslas ng tubig sa mga manok na tumitilao hanggang sa mga pabong gala. Kahit sa studio, hindi kami nagpaawat. Iba pa rin syempre pag kinukuha sa mismong genuine source. Para mas maging authentic, pati ang mga sounds ng wagaswas ng pakpak at kaluskos, ginawa na rin nila ng paraan. Urig na tunog, kinarir talaga! Pero hindi kumpleto ang isang pelikula kung wala itong isang magandang musical score. Musical director and executive producer Jessie Lasaten composed the film score while Gerard Salonga did the orchestration kasama ang kanyang 35-piece orchestra na Philharmonica. At aside pa rito, meron ding iba pang local artists na kumanta para sa dayo.
Laki ng responsibility namin kasi kami yung theme song ng movie. Kami so dapat talagang...
Gusto namin, pag tinitib namin yung theme song, parang napapanood na rin nila yung...
Yan, malaking rin sa amin, pressure. Pero, pinaghahandaan namin talaga ng sobra. Career siya, talaga. Trabaho siya.
Hi, I'm Moy Moy. And this is not Palaboy.
Hi, I'm Roadfield.
And we are the Moy Moy Palaboy.
Nabanggit lang ito sa amin ng aming friend, si director ng Robert, to check it out yung office niya na nagme-make sila ng animation. So, nung visit namin, nakita namin yung trailer pa lang or yung mismong concept. And nagustuhan talaga namin at kaya talagang
how they do it. How they do the you know, saying.
Kaya talagang nagka-interest talaga kami sa movie.
You know, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Whenever a live orchestra plays and whenever I happen to be in the same room or whenever I sing with an orchestra behind me, it lends something more exciting and it gets me inspired to really give as good a performance as I possibly can.
At ito, ang pinakamatindi sa lahat. No less than Miss Lea Salonga sings the official movie soundtrack. Excited na ba kayo makita at mapakinggan siya? Well, bibitinin muna namin kayo after these reminders.
Lahat naman in-enjoy ko eh. Walang tapon. Lahat nagustuhan namin. Masaya, exciting, at naiiba. At talagang maipagmamalaki namin ito.
So, just being able to finish something that's truly original and something that's that seems to have its own identity and that already looks very exciting. I want to congratulate all of us for doing this.
Given what the story is, it's about facing your fears and conquering obstacles and, you know, doing something great for somebody that you love and making your own dreams come true. You know, there's adventure in it, there's comedy in it, and it's going to be released on Christmas Day. I mean, who would have been part of something like this?
Itikip mo ang iyong mata, huminga ng malalim, saka kadumilat at pagmasdan ang tanawin, damhin mo ang hangin sa iyong mukha habang nakalutang ka sa ibabaw ng mundo. Lipad, lipad, kaya mong lumipad. Lipad, lipad, ano man ang iyong hangad. Maniwala sa iyong galing, abot mo ang bituin. Lipad, lipad, kaya mong lumipad. Basta't kaya mong isipin, kaya mong gawin. Kalimutan ang kaba, tayo'y sama-sama. Maaabot mo din ang pangarap mo, pagkat sa puso mo, kayang-kaya mo. Lipad, lipad, kaya mong lumipad. Lipad, lipad, ano man ang iyong hangad. Maniwala sa iyong galing, abot mo ang bituin. Lipad, lipad, kaya mong lumipad. Pagkat sa puso mo ay kayang-kaya mo. Lipad, lipad, kaya mong lumipad. Lipad, lipad, ano man ang iyong hangad. Maniwala sa iyong galing, abot mo ang bituin. Lipad, lipad, kaya mong lumipad. Maniwala sa iyong galing, abot mo ang bituin. Lipad, lipad, kaya mong lumipad.
At syempre, hindi magiging posible ang project na to kung wala ang tulong ng ating mga partners. Ito naman ang masabi nila tungkol sa Dayo.
We at Celine believe that Dayo will become a blockbuster success given the state-of-the-art technology that was used in the film production. Just like Celine is second to none, we hope that Dayo will continue to push the envelope even further and inspire other Filipino animators and production houses to raise the level of animation in the Philippines.
We recognize that both Dayo, the movie, and Tender Juicy espouse the same attributes. First is innovation, since this is the first CG movie here in the Philippines. Dayo wants to take the Filipino movie industry to the next level. Same with Tender Juicy. Being the market leader, we always want to bring in new, fresh concepts, fresh products to the Filipino consumers.
Well, we hope that our local talents will not be known only as an outsourced agency or a production outfit, but also as content provider, which can compete with the best in the world.
Huwag niyo pong kakalimutan.
December 25.
Metro Manila Film Festival.
Mula Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao.
Tayo po'y lumipad, magpakasaya, at syempre mamangha.
Sama-sama nating pagiging Dayo! Please get a copy of the official movie soundtrack ng Dayo, featuring the first Tagalog animated movie theme song ni Miss Lea Salonga. Please buy original!
Abot mo ang bituin, lipat